Hello everyone, and my name is Vikas, and welcome to this Data Empower YouTube channel. Today we'll talk about different techniques of machine learning, and these are supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforced learning. We'll go one by one. Before, if you haven't come across or aware about the machine learning and artificial intelligence, I request you to go through the previous videos or check out the complete playlist. The link is available below, and that gives you the complete understanding end to end about the artificial intelligence and machine learning. All right, let's start. Supervised learning is a technique of machine learning where it uses the labeled dataset. Labeled dataset means what? Labeled dataset means where your trained data is available and the respective output is also available. That respective output is nothing but the labeled data that helps you to analyze and train uh, based on that historical data which you already understand, and based on that uh, you can go for some kind of data driven decision. So let's understand this supervised learning through one example. So here we have taken one table. Okay, the first column is talking about the day, the second column is talking about the rain status, and the third column is talking about the cultivation for the farmer, that farmer should go for the cultivation or not. Here the day and the rain status we considered as a input data, because these two columns are input data, and the third one is nothing but, which is the cultivation, is nothing but the output data. Okay, so here I have to find this output data itself, and this output column is nothing but the labeled data. Okay, the output column is nothing but the labeled data. So if you go through this, on the day column, day 1 the rain happens, day 2 there is no rain, day 3 rain happens, day 4 there is no rain. So, and based on that, in day 1 rain happens, that's the reason cultivation didn't happen, means farmer didn't go for the cultivation. Day 2 there is no rain, so farmer easily go for the cultivation, so that's the reason it shows yes. Day 3 it has rain, so there is no cultivation. And day 4, if we talk about, there is no rain, so yes, cultivation was done. Now if we'll talk about uh, the previous videos where we talk about, you have to find some insights. So if you find the insights, the odd day, day 1 and day 3 rain happens. So if you talk about day 5 fall under odd day, and that's the reason rain will happen, because this is a hypothetical situations. Again, try to understand, this is a hypothetical situations we wanted to make you understand. Okay, so based on the data itself you have to take the decision. Based on the data itself, machine learning would go for some kind of decision. So all the if odd day rain happens and there is no cultivation happens, right? So this all data is nothing but the labeled data. Now if we talk about all the event days, day 2 and day 4, day 2 and day 4 there is no rain, and that's the reason farmer went for the cultivation easily. So this is nothing but my historical data or previous data. Now if I'll ask you for the day 5, if I'll ask you for the day 5, what will happen? Rain status, definitely there would be rain. Okay, now you have to take some kind of decision as a data scientist or as a machine learning engineer or deep learning engineer. You have to suggest the farmer community that should they go for the cultivation or not. So you can easily suggest them that you should not go for the cultivation, because day 5 rain will happen. And this, based on this labeled data or output data, supervised learning techniques is also called as a techniques where teacher is present, where someone is present who helps you to understand. Okay, I hope you like this video, uh, and if you really wanted to support us, please click on the like button and do subscribe our channel. And if you wanted to grow in your professional career using the data science and artificial intelligence, please do book a call with me, which is one to one. I would love to assist you in that. Thank you so much once again.